This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is May 21st, 2020. Let's take a look at Facebook, which is trading at about 231 and change. And I just want to discuss the fact that we see on the price, the monthly is showing a breakout as of right now, based on the prior monthly closing high. So this is a good price breakout, but there's a problem with this breakout. Hence the reason for this video. And I personally would suggest that this is a breakout that has a major red flag. And why is that? It is from the simple observation that as of right now, the RSI is not moving to 3-year highs, and neither is the RSI trading above 69.1. We can see that the MACDs, and I have two MACD settings here, the MACDs are not moving to 3-year highs either. So, because of the failure of the minimum requirements, what this tells me is that there is a high probability of a failure. In other words, this price breakout is unsustainable, even if it means higher prices, but ultimately, it's not a good look. Now, if you go take a look at the prior move to the upside, you'll notice that during the major move higher, the stock met the minimum requirements during this phase here. Now, actually, what we can do is take a quick exercise and take a look at the breakout that took place in the middle of 2013. So let's do that. Right here, this breakout here in price was good. And why was that? Well, if we take a look at what we are looking at here is, we will see there was a price breakout. RSI was also at 3-year highs, or at least at new highs there. And the MACDs were trading at 3-year highs. So clearly, what I'm talking about here is, at that time, the stock met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe Breakout, which is my own researched method. This method is going to be in the description of the video. So because of this current breakout lacking that minimum requirements, I suspect that in time this is going to fail. In other words, the next major swing trade direction, in my opinion, is lower. Let me add one other technical observation. It is this line here. I'll draw it as such, and you can see that this has been where we've been finding support and breakout levels. So you can see a breakout here, support on the line, support here, support here, support here. It turned into a break level here, which went to lower prices. Resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and now we're in that general area. So in other words, this is an area to be looking for potential month-to-month resistance. So in my opinion, even if we see higher prices for Facebook, chances are that in time, the big move, in my opinion, remains to be to the downside. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. And so it is. Namaste.